Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure email marketing with ConvertKit, beginner guide step by step clearly. To secure your email marketing with ConvertKit, start by logging into your ConvertKit account. Select the account settings from the dashboard. In the settings menu, navigate to the email section. Ensure that you have a verified domain. If you haven't verified your domain yet, follow the prompts to do so. This process typically involves adding a DNS record provided by ConvertKit to your domain registrar. Next, head to the Security tab within the settings. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection to your account. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication, whether through a mobile app or SMS. This process not only maintains list quality but also improves engagement rates. Next, familiarize yourself with ConvertKit's automation features. Set up automated workflows to segment your audience based on their interactions. Segmenting your audience allows you to send targeted emails, reducing the risk of spam complaints. When creating email campaigns, always use a clear subject line and concise content. This helps maintain high open and engagement rates, supporting your overall sender reputation. Pay attention to ConvertKit's guidelines to ensure compliance with laws like GDPR and CAN-SPAM. Review the compliance tools available within ConvertKit to ensure your email practices meet legal standards. Finally, regularly monitor your email analytics to track results. Use these insights to adjust your strategy and maintain a secure email marketing approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.